Hey there, fellow crafters! We are so excited because today we are combining 3 of our favorite things: Halloween, costumes, and candy. We found ways to make costumes from candy and they are deliciously gorgeous. But before we get started, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Are you ready for some sweet, sweet fashion? Let's do it! For the first look, we're going to need a ton of bite-sized candies and a bra. We begin with these marshmallow treats at the top. Just glue them in place, one at a time. Let's add a row of sweet tarts to the underwire. Now that you've got the border done, start adding candies to the cups of the bra. There is absolutely no wrong way to do this. Choose whatever pattern you like. The more colorful, the better. It's really coming together now. Don't worry, we won't tell if a few of these candies wind up in your mouth. This is the pattern we decided to go with. The key is to load it up with as much candy as you can fit. Isn't it cute? Now for the skirt. Find a pink velour skirt if you can. Then glue on some large pink marshmallows. Add a row alongside the waistline. Then add some different colors and textures to the hip area. So yummy! Let's work on some tasty footwear. These look like ordinary pumps, right? Well, we're going to fix that. First, unroll some yellow licorice and cut a piece about this length. Do the same with a red strip of licorice as well. Glue the remaining rolls of licorice right to the shoe. You can sort of twist and swirl it around the licorice. Add some rolled up candy tape here. And some candy rope there. Finish the look with smaller bite-sized pieces. And voila! You'll have the sweetest feet at the Halloween party! Time to accessorize! We're going to make a hat out of this pink craft paper. For the flu, just roll it and glue it together, like you see here. Use a plate to trace out a circle for the brim. Snip, snip. Place the flu onto the brim and trace. Cut out the center of the circle. Then glue the brim in place. Save that center part of the brim that you cut out. You're going to cut out some strips of paper, fold them in half, and glue them to the outside border of the circle. Glue 4 strips, then set the circle on top of the hat with the strips going inside. Glue the strips into place inside the hat. Let's add some candy! Tie a strip of organza fabric to the base of the flu. Then embellish with lollipops. Trim the sticks down a bit to make them fit nicely. Then hot glue them into place. Add a couple of bite-sized pieces too, and of course a feather, or 2, or 3. Talk about fancy! That's our candy girl look. Isn't it sweet? Ready for more? How about a cupcake costume that looks good enough to eat? Here's how we did it. First, we measured a long piece of pink paper to fit around the waist. You may have to glue a couple of pieces together to make it all the way around. Then fold the paper in a zigzag pattern like this. Glue some wadding to the top, using hot glue. This is going to be the frosting. Then glue candies to the wadding. For the hat, you'll need to make a large paper cone. Grab a polystyrene base from the craft store and place it on the cone. Use a pencil to trace the spot where the base rests on the cone. Add glue and stick the base to the cone. When the glue dries, cut away the excess paper at the bottom. Next, we glued some cotton around the cone. Cover the entire cone with the cotton. So far, so good. Now get some different colored wool fiber. Spray your cotton cone with textile adhesive spray and wrap the wool around, creating a swirl pattern with the different colors. Doesn't this hat look like frosting, or better yet, cotton candy? Use a pair of pen suspenders to fasten your cupcake around your waist. This costume was a piece of cake to make. Here's a sweet and sassy costume that we absolutely love. It's super easy to make. Grab one of these corset bras in your favorite color and get some of these candy strips and licorice vines. Measure and cut the candy to fit the bra. Then glue it on. We put the rainbow striped candy in the center. Cut the strips in half to make them fit if you need to. Then glue the vines to the sides of the bra. Next, we cut the candy strips into small pieces of different shapes and sizes. Then, we glued them to the top edge of the bra to make this candy border. Aren't these heart candies cute? Let's glue them to the bra, just beneath the candy border. For the skirt, we found these heart jellies that we just adore. We're going to string them together using bead string and a needle. Just poke the needle through the center of the heart like this. You can use pliers to help you pull the needle through. Grab a belt and punch holes in it all the way around. Then, tie the end of your jelly heart string to the hole of the belt so they can dangle down and attach to the ring at the bottom. Let's do this again with large marshmallows. Alternate patterns and hang as many strands as you like from your belt. What are we going to do with all these candy dots, you ask? Why, make a dazzling pair of yummy glasses, of course. Get a pair of fashion glasses and let's get to work. Using a paintbrush, apply a layer of glue to the rims of your glasses. Then, dip the glasses into the dots. Super easy! Now, pour a few spoonfuls of powdered sugar into a bowl. Add some lemon juice and give it a stir. Now, add some yellow food coloring and mix it all together. Take a pair of colorful shoes and draw a line across the toe using the frosting gel. Then drizzle your powdered sugar mixture onto the toe. Pour it on until the whole toe is covered below the frosting line. Now, sprinkle on those candy dots for a fun pop of candy color. Doesn't this outfit look delicious? Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. We had so much fun making these edible costumes with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later!